Aditya Vikram Birla Kala Kiran Puraskar, we continue to support promising young performers, bridging tradition with fresh creative expression, giving them a stage, encouragement and hope. I would like to thank you all for carrying forward this legacy with love, commitment and generous support, ensuring that our belief in the arts, culture and performers endures. Here's to the arts, here's to performers, and here's to many more decades of creative excellence.
Good evening, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to my fellow lovers of theatrical and performing arts to this awesome celebration of the Sangeet Kala Kend's 26th Awards. As always, this evening holds a lot of promise. We promise an evening of enjoyment, relaxation, and an evening, of course, of razzmatazz. A very special welcome to our legendary chief guest, Padma Bhushan, Pandit Ajoy Chakravarti. Pandit Ajoy Chakravarti, a world-renowned Hindustani classical vocalist, a composer, as well as a lyricist. We are honored to have you in our midst. You have made all of us at the Sangeet Kala Kendra proud with your amazing voice and the mellifluous manner in which you sing. You have conquered many hearts, not only in India as a musician, but even as a musical genius across the world. You have positioned India on the musical legacy map. You are India's pride. A very special welcome once again to Aditi Mangaldas. We all saw her amazing performance light of the evening. Yet another warm welcome to the legendary, beautiful and charming Rekhaji, the actor of all seasons. Rekhaji, you are indeed a big draw for this distinguished audience. The Sangeet Kala Kendra Awards, year after year, stir a lot of beautiful memories. Traditionally, this evening, we pay homage to our beloved founder of Sangeet Kala Kendra, the legendary Aditya Vikram Birla, my husband, whose life symbolized the triumph of creativity and imagination. I would like to share snatches of conversations on his philosophy, his timeless values from thoughts of his father as expressed by my son Kumar Mangalam. It goes like this. There's so much one can learn from his life, that you can be successful without having to negotiate on your values and principles and on your own terms, with hard work, passion and unfailing commitment, that at the same time there is more to life than work alone. Live life to the fullest, work with undivided focus and play with unbridled passion too. Follow your dreams. There is nothing you cannot learn or achieve if you put your mind and heart to it. That you can touch the lives of many people more than you can perhaps imagine through your genuine concern for their well-being, through small gestures and by being a role model to so many. We all realize that He is always with us and that He really never left us. Unquote. Today and every day, I feel that Alji never truly left us. His aura, his legacy of values, his desire to live life to the full and yet to be complete Karma Yogi continues to be his legacy bestowed upon us. It is also the rock-solid principle at the core of Sangeet Kala Kendra. That said, at today's program, the focus is on Indian classical music and recognition of a virtuosic vocalists and spawning geniuses. I often feel that we have been very privileged that year after year we have been able to enlist the best of the best in the performing art domain to the evaluation team. This year too, it has been no different. Our distinguished jury, comprising of vocalists, artists, signaling creativity, intellect and eminence, driven by passion, was chaired by Pandit Ulhas Kashalkar, Pandit Venkatesh Kumar, Vidushi Ashwini Bhide Deshpande, Srimati Kavita Krishnamurthy Subramaniam, and Srimati Devki Pandit were all our other judges. They are backing us to the hilt along with other geniuses. Over this arc of 25 years and more is a testament to the authenticity of Sangeet Kala Kendra. It is also the reason why our awards have become so aspirational. The pride of place, the Aditya Vikram Kalashikar Puraskar, goes to the iconic Padma Bhushan Vidushi Begum Parveen Sultana for her creativity across all genres, ranging from classical to even film music. Padma Bhushan Parveen Sultana, a heartiest congratulations to you. Our best wishes and accolades also go to 3 young artists who have the potential to rise even further. I would like to call out Sri Samihan Kashalkar, Kumari Ankita Joshi, and Sri Sagar Morankar. These artists have demonstrated amazing talent in the world of vocal music. Their performances have regaled tens of thousands of music lovers across the globe. Our congratulations to all these 4 vocal superstars, and here's wishing you even more accolades in the times ahead. May you have many more wins. And finally, I want to thank all of you, my fellow Sangeet Kala Kendraites, from the bottom of my heart for all your affirmations, your endorsements, and of course, your tremendous support to our Sangeet Kala Kendra. It means a world to us. That said, we open the next chapter of Sangeet Kala Kendra, an evening of scintillating songs from the incomparable Shreya Ghoshal. So wonderful to have you with us on this memorable occasion. Enjoy the evening and God bless.
Most promising vocalists of his generation. And let me read the citation for Samihan Kashalkar. Samihan Kashalkar, Sangeet Kala Kendra is pleased to bestow upon you the Aditya Vikram Birla Kala Kiran Puraskar in recognition of your remarkable achievements in Hindustani classical music. You are an exceptionally gifted vocalist, carrying forward the rich legacy of the Gwalior Gharana with grace, depth, and sincerity. And your contribution to Indian classical music is inspiring and invaluable. We applaud your accomplishments. Thank you so much for doing what you do. And may I now request our chief guest, Pandit Ajoy Chakrabarti ji and Mrs. Rajashri ji Birla to present the award. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, many congratulations. There you are. Can we all have a big round of applause for Samihan Kashalkar? It's not easy what they do. It's their passion that drives them to such excellence. बहुत मुबारक हो. I'm sure that's a big moment for Samihan. In recognition of your distinguished achievement in the field of Indian classical vocal music. As a prodigious disciple of the legendary vocalist Pandit Jasraji and Sri Lakshmikant Rwande, we admire your remarkable accomplishments as a young exponent representing Mewati Gharana. We applaud your achievements, everyone. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? And may I please request Pandit ji to present the award and Naveen ji to present the plaque to Ankita.
सूरज खड़ा है ना बीच में दूसरा
बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद, many congratulations. Yes, a round of applause is always welcome. The moment of glory. Their passion takes another turn today. And now I shall read the citation for Sagar Marankar. Sangeet Kala Kendra is pleased to bestow upon you the Aditya Vikram Birla Kalakaran Puraskar in recognition of your. And may I please request Pandit ji to present the award and Naveen ji to present the plaque to Sagar. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो सागर. Wish you all the success that you truly deserve. Once again, many congratulations to Sagar. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया पंडित जी, thank you, and नवीन जी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका भी, and congratulations to Ankita and honor. It is my privilege to announce this year's recipient of the Aditya Vikram Birla Kala Shikhar Puraskar, the one and only Padma Bhushan Vidushi Begum Parveen Sultana ji and plaque. There we have, ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment of the night. Towards her dedication, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, दिल से आपका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहेंगे. And can we have a big round of applause? Come on, we are so many of us, we are in thousands, everyone. We have to hear, that's going to be the loudest cheer of the night. And that's the plaque.
Birla ji and Sangeet Kala Kendra for honoring me with the prestigious Aditya Vikram Birla Kala Shikhar Puraskar. Also, I would like to offer my heartfelt congratulations to Sangeet Kala Kendra for their outstanding contribution in promoting art and culture and wish them continued success. Once again, thank you very much. आप लोग इतना प्यार दिया, इतनी इज्जत अफजाई की, उसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ. खास करके श्रीमती राजश्री बिरला जी को मेरा बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और बहुत बहुत नमस्कार. आप लोग जो कर रहे हैं, इतना अच्छा कर रहे हैं शास्त्रीय संगीत के लिए. कोई भी कला यंग जनरेशन को, यंग बच्चे को एनकरेज कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई और मेरे बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद भी है इसके साथ. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब लोगों को. अगर गलती हुई तो माफ़ कर दीजिएगा. नमस्कार. आदाब.